Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jamie Palmer. This is the Binary Destroyer and today's date is the 19th of March. It's a Tuesday, and now I'm not actually going to do any trading for you today. In fact, I didn't do any trading yesterday. I had a headache yesterday, and today I want to catch up with some emails and training with the VIP members because I'm a little bit behind on our training, so I just want to catch up with that. So I'm not going to do any trading for you today, but I just want to show you a trade that I took last night on USD CAD. Now, it was an absolute beautiful trade. Now, I'll show you the original trade here, and I took a photo of it. Okay, and as you can see, I took this trade at 10 to 11 last night. So I pretty much waited all night for this trade. But again, you got to be patient as traders. But I waited all night, and then obviously I set my stop loss and take profit, went to bed, and yeah, I woke up in profit. But I just want to break down the trade for you now using a bit of price action, and then we'll go to the Binary Destroyer and show you how I got into a trade with the Binary Destroyer. Now, all week we are talking about pullbacks, getting into trades with the pullback and then riding the trend. So basically, yeah, that is this week's training. Now, I want to show you the perfect example of a momentum change and pullback in this trade. Now, if I've drawn my trend lines here and some support and resistance here. Now, if we just go from the start, okay, you will see what I'm looking at in this picture. Okay, we had a trend up. Okay, we pulled back. This here is a pullback. Okay, we had a bounce off a trend line, so we trend up again. So this here is a trend up, pull back, trend up. Okay, we pull back. What do you think the next move is going to be? Trend up. Exactly. We made a higher high, so higher high, higher high, another higher high, and then we trend down, and then we pull back. And then we trend back up again. Now at the top here, we had a textbook double top, okay? Textbook double top at resistance line, okay? Beautiful M shape, you know, you can call it double top, M shape. You know, it doesn't matter what you call it, it was a beautiful setup, okay? Now, if you load up the RSI, we also had a bit of diversions, which again signifies momentum change. We've double topped. The RSI is slowing down, the momentum is changing, and then what do you think happens when we get a momentum change? The market crashes. So we trend down like this, okay? And we broke our previous resistance and support level. We continue down, and then once we've broken below our trend line, the momentum has switched. What do you think the next move is going to be after this? Exactly what I'm thinking. A pullback. Exactly, a pullback. And where does it pull back to? To the last resistance area, okay? Pretty much simple. So what do you think now? With trend down, we pull back, the momentum has switched, we're heading into a downtrend. What do you think the next move is going to be after this pullback? A trend down. Exactly that. So what I did was I got into a trade around here, and then just absolutely, well, I didn't actually ride the trend down, but this trade here, look at the move here. I mean, this trade would have given you 90 pips, a 90 pips move. So if I load up the Binary Destroyer now, I'll show you the exact trade, okay? We'll go back to the charts here, and I'll show you the trade. So this was the trade here. Again, what was I teaching my members, for the members that are watching this? Remember, white line on bottom, uptrend. We cross over, white line goes on top. What does that mean? Downtrend. We wait for a crossover here, we wait for our first pullback, and we ride the trend. Now in this particular trade, I set my stop loss above the moving average, which was protected, and I set my take profit to 15 pips. You could use a trade and stop loss on this occasion, but I set my stop loss, my take profit, went to bed, okay? I woke up in the morning and this was my result, okay? A beautiful £400 while sleeping. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, but if we head over to the charts now with the Binary Destroyer, you can see that particular trade. If I turn all my pullback modes on, you can see that particular trade, which was here. Again, if I bring up my price action, you can see our double top. You can see the trend up, pull back, trend up, pull back, trend up. Massive crash below, signifying, okay, we've switched over. We pull back. I get into my trade round here. And then obviously my take profit was 15 pips, whatever it was. Does it tell me on CTrader when I closed this trade? 8:09 in the morning, I believe that says. So yeah, this trade was running for almost 8 hours. 8 hours this trade was running, I believe. So yeah, as you can see, you could have got 90 pips out of this trade, but this is really just the power of momentum and pullbacks. Okay, I mean, look, give an example here. This is the 5-minute charts. Okay, we're just about to cross over now on the BD price line and the moving average. So what do you think now the next move is going to be? We're now trending above. It's going to be a pullback, isn't it? We're going to trend up, pull back, and then ride the trend. Now again, this is only going to work if it meets our rules. Okay, it's not just a case of every time the moving average crosses over we get into trades. You've got to look at let me just give you an example. Okay, this is the 1-minute chart, right? And okay, look, here you go, 1-minute chart. Here's an example. Okay, here's an example here. Not the best, okay, but you know, we'll go with it. Okay, look at the crossover here. Price has crossed over. Okay, white line is now on top. What do you think that means? Downtrend. So again, we'll follow it down, pull back, signal arrow. Remember, when we're trading a binary destroyer, we want to be taking arrows with the trend. So because this is a downtrend, we want to be taking red arrows, right? If it was an uptrend, we take green arrows. Now, when I trade this strategy, I always teach you take the first 2 red arrows. Okay, we won't count this one because I don't think the price crossed over in time as this happened. But as you can see, look, for example, forget the price, forget the volatility here. Just let's draw the lines. Okay, trend down. See this here? Pull back, red arrow, 10-minute expiry. Would have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just a winner. We trend down. Second pullback, a red arrow, wins, drops. That was me. Game over. Thank you very much. If you know me as a trader, I do 2 trades a day. So that would have been my trading session done within 20 minutes. Okay. I wouldn't take these trades here, mainly because they're too far out of the zone. So I wouldn't take these trades here. I should do some live trading for you today, but I'm not going to be honest. I've got to catch up with emails. Okay, here's another example. Okay, now here's another example. Okay, look at this. We crossed over on the okay, again, white line on top, downtrend. So we want to take red arrows. Winner, 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 winner. Okay, we crossed over. We take green arrows. It's an uptrend. We trend up, pull back. We get a green arrow. It wins. We trend back, pull back. Red arrow, green arrow, trends up, wins. We pull back. Green arrow wins. That is it. Now, like I said, just be patient, wait for these setups to happen. That trade on USD CAD, as you can see at the time I took this trade, was absolute textbook. As you can see here, again, look, you know, it's simple. Keep trading simple, everyone. Look, trend up, pull back, trend up, pull back. Look at these green arrows here. That one would have won, that one would have lost, this one would have won. So you would have won 2-1 here. Again, pull back, trend up, pull back, drops, as you can see. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that trade, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.